All right, so we are going to be looking at determination of branch, node, and independent loop. All right, so you can see the question below. The question says we should determine the number of branches, nodes, and independent loop in this circuit. All right, so let's start with the branch. All right, so branch B is equals to now. What is a branch? A branch is a single element or any two terminal device such as voltage source, current source, or resistor. So each of the elements, how many elements do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 branches here. So it shows that we have 5 branches. All right. So what about the node? Node is a connection between two or more what? Two or more branches. All right, node. That is N. All right, so how many nodes do we have here? All right, and for the case of a node, you are going to take note of this. I've already said this in our introduction class to branch, node, merge, junction, and so on and so forth. That anytime you have a short circuit or a single wire that is connecting two or more branches, you treat such wire or short circuit as a what? As a single node. All right, so now if you look at this, this is a single wire here that is connecting this, and this. So it shows that we are going to treat this as just one node. All right, so this whole part here is one node, and if you look at this wire 2 years, a short circuit here that is connecting this and this again, so we are going to treat it as one node, and this one too we are going to treat it as one node. So it shows that this circuit is having how many nodes? It's having just 3 nodes. All right, here we are treating it as a single, here we are treating it as a single node, and this whole part here is also a single. So we are having 3 nodes. All right, so the independent node now. So for us to calculate the independent node, we are going to be using the formula B is equals to L. B is equals to L plus what? Plus N minus what? Minus 1. So this is going to be 5 equals to L plus what? Plus 3 minus 1. And 5 will be equals to L plus 3 minus 1 is 2. So if we make L the subject, L is equals to 5 minus 2. And L is equals to 5 minus 2 is what? 3. So it shows that the number of independent loop here is what? Is 3. So this is how to determine the number of node, branch, and what? Independent nodes. So stay tuned for more example, and don't forget we are having a well structured material on the circuit analysis. So do well to reach out through the link in our description on our bio on our YouTube channel. Please do well to click on the link, as it's going to direct you on to our WhatsApp, and you can demand for the materials. It's going to be very, very helpful. Just be well simplified, organized for your consumption. All right, do well to like, share, and comment on this video if there's any part you want to shed more light on. Thank you, and stay tuned for more numerical.